I invite the Dean's students to name the organizations selected for receiving donations from Sarang 2014. And may I request our director, Professor Bhaskar Ramamurthy, to hand over the checks.
Good evening. Every year, after Sarang is over, we collect funds that have been raised through the ticket sales of the choreography competition. And after subtracting the production costs, all the money that remains is distributed among service organizations, social service organizations, social organizations. This year, very happy to inform you of the following organizations that will receive the amounts that I will state respectively. First is a young body in the sense that it was formed last academic year. The IIT Madras Campus Welfare Trust of IIT Madras, and I request the representative, the Dean Administration, to please receive the check of 100,000 rupees. Second, we have the Sri Ramanuja Charitable Trust, Perambur. May I please request the representative to come on stage and collect the check for 100,000 rupees. Third, we have the Seva Samajam Children's Home in Pallipattu. We are offering them a check of 100,000 rupees. Fourth, we have the Sivasakti Kakkum Karangal, Alappakam. We are offering them a check of 100,000 rupees. Fifth, we have the Mahesh Memorial Trust. We are offering a check of 100,000 rupees. Sixth, we have the Manava Seva Dharma Samvardhini Annadanam Trust. We are offering them a check of 45,000 rupees. And seventh, we have the Mohan Foundation. We are offering a check of 21,000 rupees and 850 rupees. There is one more organization, I'm told they are not here, which is the Bhumi Foundation, and we are offering them 40,000 rupees. Thank you.
May I request our director to present mementos and certificates to the student members of the outgoing executive wing of the Student Affairs Council. The Dean's students may invite them to receive the mementos and certificates from our director. Also introduce the new executive wing of the students.
This is a very pleasant function because this marks the changeover of the Student Governing Council here, which we call the Student Affairs Council. And we've had a very distinguished Student Affairs Council in the last year, extremely active and marked by tremendous discussions and a lot of energy and enthusiasm and respect, mutual respect. I'm very pleased to introduce to you the outgoing Speaker of the Student Affairs Council, Mr. Sri Sathwik Ji. The Speaker is the most important position in the entire student governance body. And the Speaker and the Student Affairs Council are ably supported by an executive wing. And I wish to name each secretary now. First, the Students' General Secretary, Mr. Deepak Johnson. As is our tradition, when one member goes and receives the memento, we have the elected person coming in. So the person replacing Sri Sathwik is, for the first time in the history of IIT Madras, a lady, Pallavi Chakravarti. This is after 34 years of the Student Affairs Council. And incidentally, there are some interesting things going to happen in a few minutes because we have more ladies coming up to receive awards. The person who will replace Mr. Deepak Johnson is Mr. Aditya Bharadwaj. The next secretary is the Secretary Academic Affairs. The outgoing person is a lady, again, Miss Damini Gandham. And the student who will take charge is Mr. Vishrant Suresh. Next, we have the Secretary Research Affairs. The outgoing secretary is Mr. Oswald Jason Lobo. And his position will be taken over by Mr. Mashetti Ravi Babu. I believe he's out of station now. Yeah. Next, we have the Secretary Hostel Affairs. The outgoing secretary is Mr. Kranti Kumar. And his position will be taken over by Mr. Jayachandran K. Next, we have the Secretary Co-Curricular Affairs. The outgoing secretary is Mr. Tanuj Junjunwala. And his position will be taken over by Mr. Siddharth Dailani. Next, we have the Secretary Sports. The outgoing secretary is Mr. Mithunjoy Cherail. And his position will be taken over by Mr. Nitish Chandra Reddy. Incidentally, as was mentioned, we came second in the inter-IIT sports for the second consecutive year by a whisker. And we are always happy for the winners. Next, we have the Secretary, Cultural Affairs, Arts. The outgoing secretary is not here right now. And we also have Secretary, Cultural Affairs, Literary. Both of them are not here today, but their position will be taken over by Mr. Saladi Varun Teja first, Cultural Affairs, Arts, and Mr. Supreet Hegde, Cultural Affairs, Literary. Lastly, we have a new position that was created last year, which is the Secretary, International and Alumni Relations. This was very ably taken care of by Mr. Jitan Sam Varghese. And this position will be taken charge of by Mr. Rohit Kothari. Thank you, sir.
May I request the Dean Administration to invite the Institute officials who have completed their terms of office during this academic year. And may I request our Director, Professor Bhaskar Ramamurthy, to present mementos to them.
Call upon the following to receive their mementos. Professor S.R. Gandhi, who served as Head Civil Engineering. Professor Enakshi Bhattacharya, Head Electrical Engineering. Professor Sudhir Chellarajan, Head Humanities and Social Sciences. Professor J.S. Mani, Head Ocean Engineering. Professor K. N. Satyanarayana, Chairman, Engineering Unit. He's not here, I think. Professor Ramesh Babu, Advisor, Training and Placement. Professor Vetrivel, Liaison Officer, OBC. Just none. Professor Sampath, Liaison Officer, SC/ST. I think he is not here. And Professor Sivaprasad, who served as Chief Vigilance Officer.
I request the Dean Academic Courses to call the Student Academic Award winners to receive the awards from the Director.
Prizes for the best academic record in the first 2 semesters of the BTech Dual Degree Program. Sri S. Subramanian Prize, donated by Sri Ram Subramanian. Aditi R. Computer Science and Engineering. Sri K. Krishnamurthy Prize, donated by Sri K. Bhaskaran, Vidya Ramaswamy, Computer Science and Engineering. Dr. Anita Mehta Damani Prize, donated by Sri Ramesh Damani, Guru Prasad Raghavan, Biotechnology. Nirmal L, Chemical Engineering. Computer Age Management Services Private Limited Prize, donated by Sri V. Shankar, Mundlamuri Vinod Kumar, Civil Engineering. Sri V. Ramachandran Prize, donated by Sri R. Gopalakrishnan, Srinivasan R. Computer Science and Engineering. Sri V. Rajagopalan Memorial Prize, donated by Sri R. Muralidharan, Abhilash S. Electrical Engineering. Ms. Lata Sampath Srinath Prize, donated by Sri H.S. Srinath, Athira Jain Jacob, Engineering Design, Akshay Krishna, Engineering Physics, Rajaram S. Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering, Sri Satish Pai Prize, donated by Sri Satish Pai, Divya Shri P.K. Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Institute Merit Prize, Ankit S. Joshi, Physics, Professor M. Ramanujam Memorial Award, donated by Sri M.R. Sridharan and his 2 brothers and his sister for the student who has secured highest mark in Mechanical Operations course, Shahati Gorti, Chemical Engineering. Prizes for the best academic record in the 5th and 6th semesters of BTech Dual Degree Program, Professor E.G. Tulapurkara Prize, donated by Dr. Parasuram Balasubramaniam, G. Karthik, Aerospace Engineering. Dr. Anita Mehta Damani Prize, donated by Sri Ramesh Damani, and Dr. Dilip Veerraghavan Memorial Prize, donated by Mrs. Vasant Devanathan, trustee of Dr. Dilip Veerraghavan Memorial Trust, for the BTech Dual Degree student with best cumulative performance in minor HS courses and also taking into account courses taken under HSS category, and Swati Jayalakshmi Memorial Award, donated by Professor R. Nagarajan to a girl student with best academic record amongst the girl students at the end of pre-final semester of the BTech program, Shika Jain, Biotechnology. Dr. R.K. Vishwanath Memorial Prize, donated by Dr. Lakshmi Rangaswamy, Krishna Srinivas, Chemical Engineering. MSK Chaitanya Verma Memorial Prize, donated by Sri M.S.N. Verma, Harish Pallakara Bahuddin, Civil Engineering. Computer Age Management Services Private Limited Prize, Babula Mannada Raj, Computer Science and Engineering. Sri Rama Sharma V. Kolluri Memorial Prize, donated by Sri KVR Sharma, Doshi Jainam Deepak, Electrical Engineering. Dr. Vivekanand Kochikar Award, donated by Dr. V.P. Kochikar, and Dr. S. Chandrasekharan Memorial Prize, donated by Sri Seshadri Nathan for the best academic record in the first 6 semesters of BTech Mechanical Engineering, and Dr. Dinesh Balagangadhar Prize, donated by Sri Mahesh Balagangadhar for the best academic record in the first 7 semesters of the BTech Mechanical Engineering, S. Sudarshan Mechanical Engineering. Ratna Award, donated by Dr. Srinivas T. Rao, Karthika Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Institute Merit Prize, Ambedkar Vignesh Vidyadhar, Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering. Atreya S. Engineering Physics. Kavya Sudhir, Engineering Design. B. Sudarshan Physics. Prizes for the best academic record in the 7th and 8th semesters of dual degree program. Institute Merit Prize, Pranav R. Kamath, Aerospace Engineering. Abhishek D. Electrical Engineering. Vinayak Bakshi, Civil Engineering. Sri Madan Gopal Damani Prize, donated by Sri Ramesh Damani, Raghavendran P. Biotechnology. Dr. Anita Mehta Damani Prize, donated by Sri Ramesh Damani, Iyer Sachit Shankaran, Chemical Engineering. Sri Venkatraman Ravi Prize donated by Sri Ravi Venkatraman, Vadali Nandita, Civil Engineering. Computer Age Management Services Private Limited Prize donated by Sri V. Shankar, Anuja Agrawal, Computer Science and Engineering. Institute Merit Prize, Nayakanti Nigama, Engineering Design. Electronics for You Prize donated by Sri Ramesh Chopra, Prakriti P, Electrical Engineering, Microelectronics and VLSI Design. D. Ananthasubramanian Memorial Award donated by 1999 batch of BTech Electrical Engineering, R. Ravikiran, Electrical Engineering, Communication Engineering Stream. Sri Ramanan Ramamurthy Prize donated by Ms. Rajeshwari Ramanan, Ballikonda Vamsi, Electrical Engineering, Power Systems and Power Electronics. Sri Rajesh Achanta Prize donated by Sri Rajit Achanta, and Swati Jayalakshmi Memorial Award donated by Professor R. Nagarajan to a girl student with the best academic record amongst the girl students at the end of the pre-final semester of the dual degree program, Sneha Abhankar, Mechanical Engineering Product Design. Sri Sagar Pushpala Prize, S. Shivasai, and Bola Pragada Vijay Raghavendra, Mechanical Engineering, Intelligent Manufacturing Stream. Sri Sudarshan Prize, Manoj Prabhakar J, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. PYTR Srinivasan and S. Salamenu Prize donated by Sri Tirupati Srinivasan, Katru Uday, Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering. Prizes for the best academic record in the first 2 semesters of the MTech program, Institute Merit Prize, Debolina Dasgupta Aerospace Engineering, Rajkumar G, Applied Mechanics, Triveni Trinath, Construction Technology and Management, Ramnath J and Sheikh Zakir Hussain of Computer Science and Engineering, Nitin Kumar Yadav, Industrial Mathematics and Scientific Computing, Saumya S, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Arun Balu I, Ocean Technology and Management, Jaya Murugan R, Automotive Technology, Saravana Vel A, Offshore Structural Engineering. Institute Merit Prize and LVKV Sharma Prize donated by Sri Venkatabanu Leelapalli for the MTech IMSc student with best academic record in the first 3 semesters, Abhishek Mathematics. Okay. Srimati Jayalakshmi Narasimhan Memorial Prize donated by Sri N. Raghavan, Parvati V. Raj, Civil Engineering. Professor M.K. Achyutan Prize donated by Professor Amitava Dasgupta and Professor Nandita Dasgupta, Leena P. Marcos, Electrical Engineering. Sri Ramanan Ramamurthy Memorial Prize donated by Ms. Rajeshwari Ramanan, and Swati Jayalakshmi Memorial Award donated by Professor R. Nagarajan to a girl student with best academic record amongst the girl students at the end of the pre-final semester of the MTech program, K.M. Neha Gupta, Mechanical Engineering. Professor M.S. Anant Prize, Bhavik J. Shah and Vishal Devkan, Petroleum Engineering. Ms. Lakshmi Ravikumar Memorial Prize donated by Professor R. Nagarajan, Priji C. Solid State Technology. Messrs. Chevron Products Company Prize donated by Sri Ashok Krishna, Reshmi Suresh MP, Chemical Engineering. Professor Ramarao Jayanti Memorial Prize donated jointly by Professor Srinivas Jayanti, his 2 brothers and his sister, Saumitra Bhattacharya, Nuclear Engineering. Professor Vallam Venkateswamy Prize donated by Professor V. Sundar, Vemburajan Esekemuthu Yadava, Ocean Engineering. Professor Jera Ruve Memorial Prize donated by Professor P.C. Varghese for the best academic record in MTech Civil Engineering other than Structural Engineering, Vema Vamsi Krishna, Civil Engineering. Professor N. Venkatroylu Memorial Prize donated by faculty and students of Thermal, Hydro, Turbo Machines Lab, Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras for the best academic record in the first 2 semesters of the thermal stream of MTech Mechanical Engineering program, Saurav Sarkar Mechanical Engineering. Prizes for the best academic record in first 2 semesters of the MSc program, Ms. Kalaimani Nadrajan Prize donated by Sri Amarnath Nadrajan, Gaurav Das, Chemistry. Institute Merit Prize and LVK Sharma Prize donated by Sri Venkatabanu Leelapalli for the best academic record in the first 3 semesters of MSc program, Varsha Srinivasan Mathematics. Chilikuri Ramashastri Memorial Prize donated by Sri C.V. Advani. Swati Jayalakshmi Memorial Award donated by Professor R. Nagarajan to a girl student with best academic record amongst the girl students at the end of the pre-final semester of the MSc program, Sharmila B. Physics. Institute Merit Prize for the best academic record in the first and second semesters of the 5-year integrated MA program, Lisa Tom, Humanities and Social Sciences. Institute Merit Prize for the best academic record in the third and fourth semesters of the 5-year integrated MA program, Apurva Gupta, Humanities and Social Sciences. Institute Merit Prize for the best academic record in the fifth and sixth semesters of the 5-year integrated MA program, Vaishali V, Economics, Prashanti Divakar, Developmental Studies, Divya Jyoti G, English Studies. S. Viswanathan Prize donated by Dr. V. Kumar for the BTech dual degree MA student with the highest CGPA in management minor in the 5th, 6th and 7th semesters, Shivani Patel, Chemical Engineering. Institute Merit Prize for the best academic record in the 7th and 8th semesters of the 5-year integrated MA program, TP Kurian, English Studies. Institute Merit Prize and Swati Jayalakshmi Memorial Award donated by Professor R. Nagarajan to a girl student with best academic record amongst the girl students at the end of the pre-final semester of the MA program, joint winners, Raisya Sharif, Economics, and Sneha A, Developmental Studies. Ms. Patamal Vishwanathan Prize donated by Dr. V. Kumar for the BTech dual degree MA student with highest CGPA in Innovation and Entrepreneur minor in the 5th, 6th and 7th semesters, Viswajit G. Bhatt, MA. K. Srinivasan and Indra Srinivasan Prize donated by Sri S. Rajiv for the BTech dual degree student with best cumulative performance in the courses taken by HSS category, Varun Govindaraj, Chemical Engineering. Ms. Rajalakshmi Krishnamurthy English Prize donated by Professor R. Krishnamurthy for the BTech dual degree student with the best cumulative performance in English Studies minor stream courses in the 5th, 6th and 7th semester, Akshay Dhananjay Degwekar, Computer Science and Engineering. R. Padmanabhan Memorial Prize donated by alumni of 1990-92 batch MSc Chemistry IIT Madras to the student satisfying the income criteria specified by the donor with CGPA more than 7 at the end of second semester in MSc Chemistry. Joint winners Kalyan Sarkar and Srinivasa Rao Bezawada, Chemistry. Sri K.M. Ramurthy Prize for the best student on the performance of the first 6 semesters and Okay. 6 semesters and all-round performance in cultural, co-curricular and organizational abilities during the academic year, Krishna Kumar Rao, Civil Engineering. Prizes for the faculty having guided project work for PhD, MS, dual degree, BTech students who received the award in the 50th convocation 2013 for Bhagya Lakshmi and Krishna Yangar Award donated by Sri Sudhir Sitaram Krishna. Dr. S. Bobby George, Electrical Engineering. Dr. Lalita Devi Vanajakshi, Civil Engineering. Dr. A. Ramesh, Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Sujata Srinivasan, Mechanical Engineering. Thank you.
I request the Dean students to call the winner of the Institute Blues Awards to receive the awards from the chief guest.
Ladies and gentlemen, very pleased to present to you students who will be graduating this year and who have been awarded the Institute Blues. I start with a young lady who redefined research activities in IIT Madras, Ms. Ishita Kumar. She was the earlier Research Affairs Secretary before Oswald took up charge. Next, for outstanding performance in sports, cultural, co-curricular and sports activities, Sanchit Arun Metha. Certificate of Merit, Institute Blues. Another young lady, Vidya Muthukumar, the Institute Blues Certificate of Merit for outstanding performance in cultural, co-curricular and organizational activities. One of the most versatile young ladies, Purna Kumar, Institute Blues Award, Certificate of Merit for outstanding performance in sports, cultural, co-curricular and organizational activities. She's also the chief editor of the student magazine, The Fifth Estate. Swaroop Indira Ramaswamy, Institute Bronze for outstanding performance in cultural, co-curricular and organizational activities. The next 3 students have been given the highest award this year, the Institute Silver, Institute Blues, First, I start with Krishna Kumar Rao for outstanding performance in sports, co-curricular and organizational activities. Next, Jayadev Bhaskaran for outstanding performance in cultural, co-curricular and organizational activities. And lastly, the young man with the highest points this year, Ashwin Pananjadi, Institute Silver, for outstanding performance in cultural, co-curricular and organizational activities. Thank you.